Let's go. Turn up. Let's go.
example here, I've got 18 powerful everyday tools with me. And no, it's not any of these, but it's right here in my wallet. This is the Wallet Ninja. It's got 6 wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, 4 openers, 2 rulers, fruit peeler, even a cell phone stand. You're gonna use this bad boy every day of your life. And let me show you why. You got your Phillips, flathead, virtually any sized household screw, including those teeny tiny ones in eyeglasses. 6 sized hex wrenches for a quick tighten, can opener for camping trips, bottle opener for barbecues, box opener, fruit peeler, letter opener. It has a centimeter ruler on one side. Flip it over, you got inches, 2 whole inches. That's all you really need. Now watch, slide any credit card into the slit, and now it's a stand for your smartphone. What? We just took all this and put it into this. Wallet Ninja is made from 4 times heat-treated stainless steel.
4 times.
Guaranteed to never rust, bend, or dull. And to prove the power of Wallet Ninja, we invited fitness personality James Ellis to try and bend it. Yeah, I thought so. And hey, you might have already forgotten, but this thing is the size of a credit card, so it fits right inside your wallet. And one more thing, it's TSA approved, so it won't get snagged at the airport.